Welcome back to the Wise Child channel, everybody. This is Mr. Wise Child himself, once again in the kitchen. Yeah, man, doing what I do best. Today I'll be doing some local goat, real Jamaican local goat. And these are my seasoning that I'll be putting in the goat. So you know they have there 2 onions. Well, 3 onions. 1 purple, 3 scotch bonnet, some garlic, scallion, thyme, and some pimentos. And I'll be adding in some Irish potato. And this is my curry powder, the Better Pack curry. So, yeah, my peeps, as I said, this is real Jamaican goat, straight from the farm. Yeah, so I've prepared now my seasoning, all cut up, the onion, the thyme, the garlic, the scotch bonnet pepper, yeah man, and the thyme. Here I have a little jerk seasoning with a little of everything into that. So I'll be adding my salt and my black pepper. And here's my Irish all cut up. Yeah man, looking real good. So I'm going to be putting all of this together now. Let you guys see. My people, so I'll be adding a tablespoon of salt, to the goat. I'll be adding my jerk seasoning. And a little black pepper. So I'll be working the scene now. You gotta work it in. Come on, work it in, you know? Everything soaking real nice. As I say, Mr. Wise Choice food is always nice. And I've gotten compliments that I do the best curried goat, you know? So, yeah, so that's it. So I'll be adding in some of my seasoning. Not all. Some of the seasoning so it can marinate with the goat. Look at that, people. Wow. You don't have to tell if this is going to taste nice, you know, man. You don't have to tell if this is going to taste nice. Now I'll be adding my curry powder. Once again, rub it in real nice. Add in a little more curry powder. Yeah, my people. So that's it for right now. Looking all good. I'll be making this rest in the fridge for about 2 hours to marinate and soak. Yeah, so that's it. Yeah, peeps, I'll be burning a little curry and some coconut oil. And now I'll be adding my goat. Yeah, peeps, so the goat marinated for about 2 hours. Look at that. So I'll be pressuring this for about 25 minutes. Nice. Look at that, peeps. Wow. So now I'll be adding a little water. And I'll make this cook down on pressure for 25 minutes. Peeps, I'll be adding in my carrots. Got some carrots. I found some carrots and my Irish. Look at that, peeps. Wow. Nice. This is how we do it yard man style, you know? Mr. Wise Choice Channel style, yeah man. This is the real curry goat. Wow. Looks so pretty. I know I'll be adding in the rest of my seasoning. So everything can just cook down now and balance. Wow. People, tell me if this dough look good. Yeah man. It's a very good look. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Yeah, so this is going to cook down for another 15 minutes so the Irish and the carrot can get a chance to cook, and yeah, the rest of the seasoning blending with the goat, you know. Yeah man, that's how we do it, you know. At Mr. Wise Kitchen. Yeah man, definitely, it's just like that. Yeah peeps, all finished, you know. Look at that. Nice, nice, nice. Well seasoned to the bone, curry goat. Some Irish and some carrot. This is how we do it in Mr. Wise Choice channel. Yeah man, and I want to say just remember, like, share and subscribe. But I greatly appreciate that. Look at that. Wow. Nice. Seasoned to the bone. Yep. Yeah, my peeps. Look at that. Looking real good, eh? Yeah, man. So, you know, I did a little white rice. You know, some banana and a piece of pumpkin and some ripe plantain, you know? Yeah. You know, we got a veg. Got some lettuce and some tomatoes. So, this is how we do it. Looking real good. And I know this tastes real good. So you can leave a comment if you think also it looks good. Once again, thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to Wise Choice channel. Greatly appreciate. And once again, thanks for watching.